on what we are having a bigger.
Without taking much time, please welcome the Chairman and CEO of Royal Academy of Professional Studies, Mr. Gerard Milwin. Please put your hands together to Mr. Gerard Milwin.
With the gracious permissions of the head of academics, esteemed chief guest, guest of honor, respected directors, and honored dignitaries at the head table, respected members of the academic staff, beloved parents, and my dear diploma graduates. Good evening, Assalamu alaikum, Vanakkam, and Ayubowan. First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone who received the diploma today. And I just want to make yourself remember the day you start this journey, right? The day you start this journey. Sometimes with many doubts, right? நிறைய சந்தேகங்களோட இந்த ஜேர்னியை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க. நிறைய குழப்பங்களோட, ரைட்? என்னால் இந்த ஜேர்னியை போக முடியுமா? Can I go this journey 1 year? 12 months I have to commit myself. මාස 12ක් මම මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක කරන්න ඕනි, මට මේක කරගන්න පුළුවන් වේද? right? දැන් හැමතැනම අපි දකින්නට හම්බ වෙනවා සියලු දේවල් ගොඩක් කෙටි කාලෙන් අපිට ඉවර කරගන්නට පුළුවන්. right? අපි ආසයි එහෙම ඉවර කරගන්න. எங்களுக்கு நிறைய விடயங்களை ஷார்ட்டா முடிச்சுக்கொள்றதுக்கு நாங்க விருப்பம் இல்லையா? ரைட்? நம்ம ஷார்ட்டா முடிச்சுக்கொள்றதுக்கு விருப்பம். பட் when you make the first inquiry, right? Sometimes உங்களுக்கு சந்தேகங்கள் வந்திருக்கலாம். You might have some doubts. Can I do this? Right? Exams இருக்குதுங்கறாங்க, assignment submit பண்ணனும்ங்கறாங்க. நம்மளால இத பண்ண முடியுமா? එක්සෑම්ස් තියෙනවා, assignments තියෙනවා, lectures වලට attend වෙන්න ඕනේ. අපිට මේක කරගන්න පුළුවන්ද? right? We are in a busy schedule. நாங்க ஒரு பிஸியான ஷெட்யூல் ஒன்றில் இருக்கிறோம். நம்மளுக்கு இதை பண்ண முடியுமா அப்படின்ற ஒரு டவுட்டோட நீங்க இதை ஆரம்பிச்சிருப்பீங்க. right? ගොඩක් challenges එක්ක අපි මේ ගමන පටන් අරගෙන ඇති. but today, අද දවසේ we have successfully completed all those requirements and we are sitting here with honor, right? So I just want yourself to give a appreciation for yourself. Shall we give a clap for ourselves? Right? Because we did it. Right? நாங்க இத செய்து முடிச்சிருக்கிறோம். අපි මේක සාර්ථකව නිම කරලා තියෙනවා මේ අවුරුද්දක டிப்ளோமா பாடமாලාව. right? ඒ වගේම අපි අමතක කරන්න හොඳ නෑ, நாங்கள் மறக்க கூடாது அன்பார்ந்த மாணவர்களே, இந்த டிப்ளோமா கற்கை நெறியினை பூர்த்தி செய்வதற்கு எங்களுக்கு உதவியவர்களை நாங்கள் மறக்க கூடாது. எப்போதுமே நாங்கள் மறக்கவே கூடாதவர்கள் சிலர் இருக்கிறார்கள். ரைட்? நம்ம ஒரு கிளாப் கொண்டு கொடுப்போமா நம்முடைய அப்பா அம்மாவுக்கு? Shall we give a good round of applause to our parents as well? Because sometimes in their times they might not be able to study, right? Sometimes they should they sometimes have completed only their O levels. Sometimes they might study until grade 8 9 like that, but today they are really happy because of yourself, right? Because of yourself. உங்களால அவங்க சந்தோஷப்படுறாங்க. ඔයාලා හින්දා ඔයාලා මේ achieve කරගත්ත දේ හින්දා ඒගොල්ලෝ ගොඩක් සතුටටපත් වෙලා ඇති, right? ඉතින් අපි එයාලවත් හැම වෙලේම අගය කරන්න ඕනේ. நாங்க எப்பவுமே அவங்களையும் அங்கீகரிக்க வேண்டும். Sometimes we might share the post and everything. Lots of people will congratulate on our social medias, Facebookல, இப்போ இன்றைக்கு டிக்டாக்ல, அப்படி இல்லாட்டி இருக்கிற இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல எல்லா இடத்துலையும் අපේ සෝෂල් මීඩියාවල ෂෙයා වෙන්න පුළුවන් හැම අප්ඩේට්ස්ම හැමෝම අපිට කංග්‍රැචුලේෂන්ස් කරයි, right? but අපිට සමහරක් විට අමතක වෙනවා. நாங்கள் சில நேரம் மறந்துடுவோம் எங்களுடைய அப்பா அம்மாவை அங்கீகரிப்பதற்கு. அவர்களுக்கும் ஒரு தேங்க்யூ சொல்லிடுவோம், ரைட்? வெளியே போனதும் ஒரு ஹக் பண்ணிக்கொள்வோம் எங்களுடைய அப்பா அம்மாவை. we have done this, right? ஏன்னா அவங்கள ஒரு பாதையில வழிநடத்த இருப்பாங்க. ඔයාලව ලස්සන ගමනක හරිද එයාලා ඉගෙන ගන්නට සමහරක් විට බැරි වුණත් ඔයාලට උගන්වන්නට එයාලා මාර මහන්සියක්, මාර කට්ටක්, මාර දුකක් දරාගෙන මේ ජර්නි එකේ ඔයාලව එක්කගෙන ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා, right? ඉතින් ඒගොල්ලන්ටත් අපි ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙමින් அவர்களுக்கும் எங்களுடைய நன்றியை கூறிக்கொண்டு, right? எனக்கு உங்களிலே ஒரு சில விதைகளை விதைக்க வேண்டும் என்ற ஒரு தேவை இருக்கிறது, right? මට අවශ්‍යයි ඔයාලට අලුත් දෙයක් ලබා දෙන්න. අද ඔයාලා යම්කිසි ජයග්‍රහණයක් ලබාගෙන තිනවා. இன்று நீங்கள் ஒரு வெற்றியை பெற்றுள்ளீர்கள் அன்பார்ந்த மாணவர்களே. ஆனால் this is just a beginning, right? This is just a beginning. எல்லாருமே பேசினது போல இத்துடன் நீங்கள் நிறுத்திவிடக் கூடாது. හැමෝම කතා කරා වගේ, හැමෝම කිව්ව වගේ මෙතනින් ඔයාලා නතර වෙන්න හොඳ නැහැ, right? මන් දන්නවා අද කාලේ இன்றைய நாட்களிலே நம்மளுக்கு நிறைய problems இருக்கிறது. We are having lots of problems to study, right? We have to work, we have to look after our kids, right? Sometimes okay, there's a language barrier also, unfortunately, right? So there are lots of barriers, but what to do? We can't stop. එංගලාල් නිරුත්ත முடியாது. අපිට නතර වෙන්න බෑ. ගොඩාක් challenges තිබ්බයි කියලා, ගොඩාක් බාධාවන් තිබ්බයි කියලා අපිට නතර වෙන්නට බෑ. Why we can't stop? ஏன் எங்களால் நிறுத்த முடியாது, right? Because we are having a biggest responsibility, right? We are having a biggest responsibility. On what we are having a biggest responsibility? එදිලේ எங்களுக்கு மிகப்பெரிய பொறுப்பு இருக்கின்றது. මොකක් ගැනද අපිට ලොකු වගකීමක් තියෙන්නේ? අපිටයි ඉගෙන ගන්න එක නතර කරන්නට බැරි හේතුව අපේ ඊළඟ ජෙනරේෂන් එක, right? Let's talk practical, right? අපේ ඊළඟ ජெனரேஷன் එක බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා. எங்களுடைய அடுத்த தலைமுறை எங்களிலிருந்து தான் ஆரம்பிக்க போகிறார்கள், right? எங்களிலிருந்து ஆரம்பிக்க போகிறார்கள். உங்களை கேட்டு பாருங்கள், அதற்கு எங்களுடைய பெற்றோர்களே பாடங்களா இருப்பார்கள், ரைட்டா? நம்முடைய சம்டைம்ஸ் நம்முடைய பேரண்ட்ஸ் ஆ லெவல் ஏ லெவல் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி இருப்பாங்க, ரைட்? ஆனா அவங்க துடிக்கிறாங்க, ரைட்? அவங்கள பார்த்து கொண்டு நீங்க ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷன் எடுத்திருப்பீங்க. என்னுடைய அப்பா அம்மா ஏ லெவல் முடிச்சு இருக்கிறாங்க, ஸோ அட்லீஸ்ட் நான் ஒரு டிப்ளமா முடிக்கணும் அப்படின்ட்டு நீங்க இங்க உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கிறீங்க, ரைட்? நீங்க இதுல இருந்து அடுத்த கட்டத்துக்கு போனால் நிச்சயம் உங்களுடைய குழந்தை இல்லாட்டி உங்களுடைய அடுத்த ஜெனரேஷன், எங்களுடைய அடுத்த தலைமுறை இந்த கல்வியிலே இன்னும் பெரிய மாற்றங்களை செய்வார்கள். ரைட்? இந்த கல்வியிலே இன்னும் பெரிய மாற்றங்களை செய்வார்கள். ரைட்? අපේ ඊළඟ ජෙනරේෂන් එක අපි අපේ අම්මලා තාත්තලා බැලුවහම සමහරක් විට O level වෙනකන් A level වෙනකන් ඉගෙන අරගෙන ඇති. රයිට්? ඉතින් ඒගොල්ලන්ට ගොඩක් ලොකු කැක්කමක් උනන්දුවක් තියෙනවා අපිට. ඒගොල්ලන්ගෙන් අපි හිතනවා අපේ අම්මා තාත්තා O level කරලා තිනවා A level කරලා තිනවා ඒ කාලේ. හරිද? අපි ඩිප්ලෝමා එකක් හරි ඉවර කරගන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? ඉතින් මම ඔයාලට කියන්නේ අපි මේක නවත්තන්න නැතුව යන්නට ඕනේ. අපිට වගකීමක් තියෙනවා. මොකද අපි මෙතනින් එහාට ගිහිල්ලා කොතනින්ද නතර වෙන්නේ? එතන ඉඳන් තමයි අපේ ඊළඟ ජෙනරේෂන් එක හැදෙන්නේ. right? ඔයාලා ඩිග්‍රී එක ඉවර කරොත්, right? if you complete with your degree, ඔයාලා ඩිග්‍රී එක ඉවර කරොත් ඔයාලා නතර වෙන තැනින් ඔයාලගේ ඊළඟ ජෙනරේෂන් එක, අපේ ඊළඟ ජෙනරේෂන් එක පටන් ගනිවි. right? for that ඒ ஃபியூச்சர் එක වෙනුවෙන් අපිට ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி එකක් තියෙනවා. அந்த எதிர்காலத்திற்காக வேண்டி எங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய பொறுப்பு இருக்கின்றது. நிறுத்தாமல் நாங்கள் தொடர்ந்து கற்க. ரைட்? அப்படி இல்லை என்று சொன்னால், நாங்கள் டிப்ளோமாவுடனே நிறுத்திவிட்டோம் என்று சொன்னால், අපි මේ ඩිප්ලෝමාවත් එක්ක නතර වුණොත් අපි ඊළඟ ජෙනරේෂන් එක බැචලර්ස් එකක් ඉවර කරයි. එහෙම නැත්නම් යම් කිසි මට්ටමකින් ඇවිල්ලා නතර වෙයි. එදා අපි ඩිග්‍රී එකක් ඉවර කරොත් අපේ ඊළඟ ஜெனரேஷன் එක, අපේ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜெனரேஷன் எங்களுடைய அடுத்த தலைமுறை அதிலிருந்து தாண்டி இன்னும் பல மைல் தூரம் போவார்கள், பல வெற்றிகளை காண்பார்கள். அதற்காக வேண்டி எங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய பொறுப்பு இருக்கின்றது. ரைட்? அதற்காக வேண்டி எங்களுக்கு பெரிய பொறுப்பு இருக்கின்றது. ஓகே, I just want you to raise your hands up, saying that this is your first diploma in your life. This is my first diploma I am receiving. Okay, see, here we are starting, right? Not to end. Okay, so keep your targets, keep your goals. I will definitely go for my bachelor's. Right? I will definitely in the next 2 or 3 years, I will definitely go for my bachelor's. Right? Can you? Yes or no? Oh my God. I am really believing in yourself. Aren't you? நான் உங்கள நம்பிக்கை வைக்கிறேன். உங்களால முடியும். அடுத்து ஒரு இந்த டிப்ளோமாவினை பூர்த்தி செய்த பின்னர் உங்களுடைய முதற் பட்ட படிப்பினை பூர்த்தி செய்ய முடியும் என்று நான் நம்புகிறேன். உங்களில் உங்களுக்கு நம்பிக்கை இல்லையா? Will you? ඔයාලා මේ පළවෙනි ඩිප්ලෝමා එක නම් ඔයාලා ලබා ගන්නේ. මෙතනින් ඔයාලා බැචලර්ස් එකක් කරයි කියලා මම විශ්වාස කරනවා. ඔයාලට විශ්වාස නැද්ද? Yes or no? Oh. බෝරින් වගේද? එනර්ජි එක බහලාද? Is your energy gone down? Okay. With all your courage, shall we? Are you ready to do your first bachelor's degree? Okay. That is the message that I want to give. Dream of doing a bachelor's degree, because it is not only for yourself, it is an investment. It is a responsibility for yourself to complete because of the future generation. Right? So we are working towards it. I know there are lots of challenges. We have done so much of researches. Right? We are working on it. Okay? Sri Lankan students are having lots of challenges in receiving the higher education. Right? Even there's a need, the students are facing lots of challenges with the language, okay, with the place that you are living, with the commitments that you are having. You are having lots of challenges, but definitely, as the chairman of Royal Academy of Professional Studies, I promise Royal Academy of Professional Studies will definitely lead you to complete your first bachelor's degree in a proper way. Right? So, that is our mission and that is our vision, and we are working towards it. And I just want yourself, right? நாங்கள் விதைக்க தயாராயிருக்கிறோம், right? அந்த விதைகளை உங்களிலே விதைத்துக் கொள்ள, right? நீங்கள் தயாராக இருக்கின்றீர்களா? Right? Are you ready? That is the only question. Are you ready? We are ready to provide. We are ready to come up with lots of solutions for yourself. Are you ready? Right? So today, set your goal. Set your goal. நாங்கள் எப்போதுமே அடுத்தடுத்த படிநிலைகளை தொடர்ந்து செல்ல வேண்டும். අපි හැම වෙලාවෙම ඊළඟ ස්ටෙප් එකට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම යන්නට අවශ්‍යයි. right? නැත්නම් අපි outdate වෙනවා. හරිද? හැම දෙයකම එහෙමනේ. right? எல்லா விஷயங்களையும் அப்படிதான். நாங்க ஒரு சைக்கிள் ஓட்டுறோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் we should dream for a bike, okay, we should dream for a car, we should dream for a luxurious car, and next we have to go. Okay, we have to go. In KGF movie, right, I like that dialogue very much. Greed is good, right? We should have some good greeds, right? பேராசைப்பட வேண்டும். நல்ல விஷயங்களிலே நாங்கள் பேராசைப்படுவதிலே ஒன்றும் தவறு கிடையாது. ரைட்? நான் அடுத்து, ரைட்டா, இன்னும் ஒரு 10 வருடங்கள் சென்று இந்த மேடையிலே ஒரு கலாநிதி பட்டத்தினை நிறைவு செய்தவனாக இங்கே வர வேண்டும் என்று நீங்கள் ஆசைப்பட வேண்டும். ரைட்? உங்களை தாண்டி பல மைல் பல வருடங்கள் கடந்த அந்த கனவு இருக்கலாம். ஆனால் நீங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக ஆசைப்பட வேண்டும். අපි හීන දකින්න ඕනේ. right? හැම වෙලේම හීන දකින්න ඕනේ. අද මෙතන ඉන්නවා ගොඩාක් අධ්‍යාපනයෙන් ඉහළට ගිය, right, bachelors ඉවර කරලා, masters ඉවර කරලා, PhD ඉවර කරලා, ප්‍රොෆෙසර්ස්ලා වෙලා මෙතනට ඇවිල්ලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට සහතික පත්‍ර ප්‍රදානය කරන ගොඩාක් උගතුන් මෙතන ඉන්නවා. අන්න ඒ වගේ ඔයාලත් වෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා හීන දකින්න ඕනේ. අපිත් වෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා. මමත් හීනයක් දකිනවා. right? මමත් හීනයක් දකිනවා. මමත් දවසක මමත් තාම ඉන්නේ ජර්නි එකේ. මමත් තාම ගමනේ ඉන්නේ. මමත් දවසක මගේ මාස්ටර්ස් ඉවර කරනවා, මගේ PhD එක ඉවර කරනවා කියන හීනේ මම දකිනවා. right? ඒ වගේම ඔයාලත් දකින්න ඕනේ. ඒක අපේ ආශාවක්. ඉතින් ඔයාලා හැමෝටම ඒ හීන හැබෑ කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න කියලා මම பிரார்த்தනා කරනවා. அன்பார்ந்த மாணவர்களே, உங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் அந்த கனவுகளை நனவாக்கிக் கொள்வதற்கு என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். அன்பார்ந்த மாணவர்களே, எல்லா விடயங்களினையும் சாதிப்பதற்கு ஒரே ஃபார்முலா தான். ரைட்? எங்களுடைய மனதை நாங்கள் நம்ப வைக்க வேண்டும். என்னால் இதை பண்ண முடியும், நான் இதிலே தொடர்ந்து செய்வேன், நான் நேர்மையாக இந்த இலக்கிற்காக வேண்டி உழைப்பேன். ரைட்? හැම හීනෙකටම තියෙන හැම සාර්ථකත්වයකම තියෙන එකම ෆෝමියුලා එක තමයි, හරිද? අපි මේ හීනේ දකිනවා, නොනවත්වා ඒකට වැඩ කරනවා, මන් නිහතමානීව ඒකට වැඩ කරනවා කියන එක, කාටවත් බාධාවක් නැතුව නිහතමානීව වැඩ කරන්නවා කියන ඒ අදිෂ්ඨානය තමයි හැම හීනෙකම ෆෝමියුලා එක වෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඒ ෆෝමියුලා එක ඕගොල්ලොත් ෆලෝ කරන්න. ඊළඟ achievements වලට යන්න කියන එක ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා හැම වෙලේම අධ්‍යාපනය නොකඩවා කරගෙන යන්න. So I just want to conclude like this. Education has the power to change the way you think. When the way you think changes, the way you see problems also changes. And when the way you see problems changes, the solutions you create and the actions you take will also change. It builds your character. This change begins with you, and from you it reach your family, and from your family it will influences the society, and from the society it will change the nation. අපි හැම වෙලේම වෙනසක් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙමින් ඉන්නවා. ඒ වෙනස අපි සමහරක් වෙලාවට governments වලින් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා, right? We are running behind the governments. අපි government வழியும் பலாபுரத்து வேணும். நாங்கள் அரசாங்கங்களிலே இந்த மாற்றங்களிலே எதிர்பார்க்கின்றோம். ஆனால் எந்த அரசாங்கம் வந்தாலும், எந்த மாதிரியான சூழ்நிலை வந்தாலும், எவ்வாறான பொருளாதார நெருக்கடி வந்தாலுமே கனவுகளை உங்களுக்கு முடியும் எட்டிப்பிடிப்பதற்கு. நான் அவ்வாறு எட்டிப்பிடித்த ஒரு மனிதன். அந்த ஒரு நம்பிக்கையில் உங்களுக்கும் சொல்கிறேன், உங்களாலும் முடியும். நாங்கள் இந்த கல்வியகத்தினை அண்ணாவின் அண்ணாவின் மரணத்திற்கு பின்னர் இந்த பயணத்தினை நாங்கள் ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது நிறைய நெருக்கடிகள் இருந்தது, ரைட்? பொருளாதார ரீதியாக நெருக்கடிகள் இருந்தது, நிறைய பிரச்சனைகள் இருந்தது. ஆனால் நான் ஒரு பல்கலைக்கழகத்திற்கு சென்றிருந்தேன், KDU පල්ගලයිකලහත්තිற்கு, right? අපේ අයිය නැති වෙච්ච වෙලාවේ අපි ගියා KDU විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයට ප්‍රොෆෙසර් ධම්මික සර්ව හම්බ වෙන්න කොහොමද මේක පටන් ගන්නෙ සර් කියන එක අහන්න, right? okay, ඉතින් ඒ වෙලාවේ ඒ යුනිවර්සිටි එකට ගියාම I am not a person who is in this education sector. okay, I was into human resource management, right? So but I gave a promise to my brother. நான் அண்ணாவுக்கு ஒரு சத்தியம் கொடுத்தேன், right? As a family, my brother is there, Jerome Irwin. Okay, we gave a promise, we will not stop what he start. Okay, so we went to KDU, and I felt definitely one day we should build something like this. We should build something like this, right? So step by step, Harry, step by step, நாளுக்கு நாள் படிப்படியாக நாங்கள் அந்த இலக்கினை நோக்கி நகர்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றோம். Definitely, in the next 5 years, we will go there. We will be having a university in Sri Lanka. That is the vision of Royal Academy of Professional Studies. Right? We know there are lots of crises are going because of the war and everything, because of the lots of things are there, but we believe and we are working towards it. We are having a dedicated team with our lecture panel and with the guidance of our head of academics. We are driving towards it, right? So if we as a team, with the support of our student, we can do this, you also can do. Dream of a degree, dream of a master's, dream of a PhD. Okay? Again, I wish you all the very best. One day, I think after 2 or 3 years, let's meet at the same place or at the same place or at another auditorium like this as graduates, as the people who complete a bachelor degree. Okay? Congratulations. May God bless you all. Thank you.